Hello, good evening, dear my friends. And today we are going to complete the 4th, 9th and 10th May 2021 current affairs. Okay, let's move to the first question. Recently, which country has enacted a law to allow screening of foreign investment? That is in Denmark. Okay, the new law is designed to correct the country against protect the country against Chinese Huawei and its objects of building a 5G network in the country. Okay, many countries of the world are taking new laws and other important measures to protect their national security against Hawaii. It also includes countries like America and Australia. The UK also ordered Hawaii technology to be removed from the UK by 2027. Capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. Then currency is Danish krone. Prime Minister is Mette Frederiksen. It's a world first energy island, so you can see the location of the Denmark, and the Copenhagen is there, and there is Sweden, Norway, and there is a Netherlands, Germany, Belgium, United Kingdom. Okay, at the right side of the Denmark, okay, or we can say between the North Sea and the Baltic Sea it is situated. Okay, next is recently which space agency launched SN15 rocket. So it's a SpaceX which has launched SN15 rocket. The massive SpaceX rocket went up to 6 miles up the Texas skies and successfully landed. Very good. The first two prototype of the Starship rocket that were launched in December 2020 and February 21 failed to land properly and explode. Okay, so you can see what happened last year. It is an American aerospace manufacturer, so it's about the SpaceX. It's an American aerospace manufacturer and space transportation service company. SpaceX was the first private company in the world to land rockets back on Earth. So this is very good. The headquarters is in California, and the founder is Elon Musk, the very great personality. Recently, who launched the ID Art app. So ID Art app किसने launch किया? It's a Interpol. The app this will help identify stolen cultural property, reduce illegal trafficking, and increase the chances of recovering stolen work. So this is a very good. Then let's talk about the international police. So it is an international criminal police organization. International police organization. ठीक है. Headquarters is Lyon, France, and then the member countries are 195, 4 countries. Okay, this is the logo of Interpol. Okay, and then recently which institutions launched global methane assessment? It's the United Nations. So it was released by the climate and a clean air coalition and the United Nations environmental program. Okay, this report states that methane emission by human can be reduced by up to 45% in the 2020 and 30. This reduction will help to avoid 0.3% degree of global warming by 2045. Okay, methane emission in a human being can reduce by very good. Which country has launched global methane assessment? It was air condition and okay, good. Then recently approved by the 2DG drug for the treatment of COVID-19. Who has developed this drug? It's a DRDO who has developed this 2DG. It's a powder form. So the full form is 2DG, means 2-deoxy D-glucose. It has been developed in the collaboration with the Dr. Reddy Laboratories. Okay. This drug ensures rapid recovery of hospitalization. The Drug Controller General of India has recently approved an oral drug for the treatment of COVID-19. Okay, basically, if I talk about this 2DG. So now again, let's talk about this powder form, and 2DG is a powder form. I don't know how it will be taken, but it will be given to the mild, not mild, it's a serious patient. This drug will be given to the serious patients. Okay, next talk about the DRDO. It's a Python 5 air-to-air missile. Okay, developed single crystal blade technology. Python 5 is an air-to-air missile. It's a new weapon system. It's a new missile that has been launched by the DRDO. Very good development of the supplement oxygen delivery system. Okay, to the whole country. Then advanced chef technology. Then developed lightweight bulletproof jacket, successfully tested. Akash NG missile, DRDO hand over motorbike ambulance RAKS रक्षिता टू CRPF को इन्होंने मोटर बाइक जो एम्बुलेंस होता है वो भी इन्होंने मुहैया कराया. Who participated in the European Council meeting on behalf of India? Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This year the India EU leader meeting has hosted by the Portugal. During this time, views on the leader COVID-19 were exchanged and the emphasis was on promoting sustainable and inclusive development. Recently, scientists designed the internal structure of which planet? It's a Saturn. According to the stimuli, the thick layer of helium affects the planet's magnetic effect. Okay, Next, scientists have created two powerful computer stimulus on magnetic field based on data from NASA KCL mission. The center of the planet Saturn is a dense core of metals such as iron and nickel. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun and the second largest planet in our solar system. Second largest. Saturn has the most spectacular ring system which serves 7. परिहार जा रहा है bro. Saturn has the most spectacular ring system with 7 rings and several gaps and division between them. Saturn has 53 known moons with the international additional 29 moons awaiting confirmation of their discovery. This is the total of 82 moons. Okay, Titan moons. Next is recently which state has imposed a complete ban on glyphosate. Okay, it's a Telangana. Glyphosate is a controversial weed destroyer commonly used to kill weeds in cotton field. You know, the use of glyphosate is banned because it is a carcinogenic. Also, HTBT is being banned to control illegal cultivation of cotton. Okay, in 2018, the Telangana government banned the scale of glyphosate. Okay. Telangana capital Hyderabad, CM K Chandrasekhar Rao, Governor Tamilisai Sundarajan, DHA Dharni portal, Telangana में cyber campaign स्त्री योजना who recently won the Sheikh Zayed Book Awards is Dr. Tehra QUT कुतुबुद्दीन. तो इन्होंने जीता है बुक आर्ट एंड फंक्शन. ओके, the Sheikh Zayed Book Award is literary award commencing in the UAE. It is presented annually to Arab writers, intellectual publisher as well as the young talent. The first award was given in 2007 when the World Thalassemia Day celebrated every year. It's the 8th May when the World Thalassemia Day is celebrated. Objective to create awareness about thalassemia and prevent the disease from big transmission to others. Okay, World Thalassemia Day has been celebrated since 1994. It is organized by Thalassemia International Federation, and thalassemia is a generic blood disorder in which abnormal hemoglobin is produced. Okay, hemoglobin, well, abnormality in hemoglobin, okay, in blood that takes place. What was the World Migratory Bird Day celebrated? It's the 8th May again. Sing, fly, soar like a bird. Okay, so this is the theme. The day is celebrated in the second Saturday of May and October. The last World Migratory Bird Day was observed on 10th October. Objective to raise awareness about migratory birds, to create awareness of the conservation of migratory bird habitat, especially wetlands. The United Nations established World Migratory Bird Day in 2006, which is the World Red Cross Day celebrated on 8th May. Red Cross Day. Together we are unstoppable. To honor the belief of the Red Cross movement and the International Red Cross, May 8 is the birthday of Henry Dunant, the founder of the International Committee of Red Cross. Henry Dunant was awarded by Nobel Prize in 1901. The first Red Cross Day was celebrated in May 1948. When was the birth anniversary of Maharana Pratap Singh celebrated its 9th May? Maharana Pratap Singh was the 30th king of मेवाड़ के राजा थे. मेवाड़ के वो 13वीं राजा थे. प्रेजेंट डे राजस्थान में है. ही इज़ कंसिडर्ड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस किंग इन इंडिया. वाओ. He was born on May 9, 1540. Now talking about the Battle of Haldighat, which he has fought. This battle was fought on 18th June 1576 between the force of Maharana and Akbar. The Mughal were led by Man Singh. Rana's army defeated in this battle. Who is the author of the book The Bench? Meghan Markle. Meghan Markle. Okay, this the other important books written by her. Other books. Okay, another dozen stories. It's a Satyajit Ray. The Mountain Living, Amitabh Ghosh. The Song of India, Ruskin Bond. The Climate Change Explained for all, for one and all, Akash Ranison. Who has won the Lawrence Sportsman of the Year Award 2021? It's a Rafael Nadal. And Sportswoman of the Year 2021 is Naomi Osaka. She is from Japan, Japanese. Recently, which Indian wrestler qualified for Olympic in women 50 kg freestyle competition? It's Seema Bisler. Vinesh Fogart 53 kg, Sonam Malik 62 kg, Anshu Malik 57 kg. Then just thank you for being with me and having a patience to know about all these things. Okay, goodbye. Have a nice